I'm gonna record you from right now.
From right now?
Chris, about to make it rain.
About to make it rain on them hoes. Better grab an umbrella. $500. Oh, my roommate, $500. So, about to make it rain up in there.
I think I started recording too soon.
Yeah, you did. It's alright. Add for the effect.
True.
Of making it. Well, this can be edited out.
True. I don't think I can't see a thing anyway.
Don't worry.
There. Better. But take off the little tag thing so the ones are all loose. Hopefully he's in the living room and not taking a shower. Ah. Okay. Little sit back here.
Mikey, you got an umbrella?
Wait. What? I need to make a call out of here. What?
You got an umbrella? I'm about to make it rain on them hoes! I'll make it rain, I'll make it rain, I'll make it rain on them hoes! I'll make it rain! I'll make it rain on them hoes!